Hello everyone, today I will show you how to clip with OBS Studio, and here's how it is done. First, go to the settings and select the output tab. Make sure your output mode is set to advanced. Don't use simple as it won't show the options you need. Under the replay buffer section, enable this feature as it is what allows you to save replays or clips. Set the maximum replay time to your preferred duration. I recommend 30 seconds so that whenever you press your hotkey, the last 30 seconds will be saved. Next, head over to the hotkeys section and look for the Save Replay option. Set a hotkey for this function. You will also need to go to the Advanced section and make sure the hotkey focus behavior is set to never disable hotkeys. After that, press Apply to save your settings. Once done, you will see a new button in the control panel called Start Replay Buffer. Whenever you begin streaming or recording, make sure to click Start Replay Buffer to enable the feature. This ensures that clips can be saved. If something happens that you want to clip, just press the hotkey you set earlier. It will save the last 30 seconds of footage as a separate file. When you are done streaming or recording, click Stop Replay Buffer. To find your clip, go to the File menu in the top left corner and select Show Recordings. Your clip should be saved there. And that's everything you need to know about how to clip with OBS Studio. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.